Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn a really easy way how you can create a template, an email template in SalesForce. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on contacts. When you're in the contacts, you want to click on whatever name you want to write email on or create a template in, and then you will find it here, email. Click on it, and let's say that I'm going to write here. Okay, let's subject. Thank you for being with us. And now, so, hey, hi. And now what you want to do is click insert merge field. And then you want to write here like name. So let's go like full name, insert. And straight away, like this will be always happen hi and the recipient name. Thank you for being here. Now you can attach file if you would like, whatever. And then you will find it here, insert, create or update template. Click on it and you can save as new template, right? And now template name, let's go with a birthday John. Okay, whatever. No. Folder, you can also add it to folder. Click save. Nice. And then when I click like, see, recently used templates, insert a template, I can see my templates here. So that's like really simple how we can do it. And then when you have it, you just click send. Okay. Okay, so I don't have really great full name here, so I can do it right now. But it is, you just click send and you got it. But I should have used just my first name, not the recipient name, because this is a like created contact, which is not that, it's kind of different. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.